The La Roche-Posay Cicapax Balm B5 will always be the GOAT for me when it comes to skin barrier repair. But lately, I've been trying out this cream Cicavit Plus from SVR, and I absolutely love this cream. It's absolutely amazing. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 reasons why I feel this Cicavit cream is way better than the La Roche-Posay Cicapax Balm B5. Pro number 1, this does not leave a white cast on my skin. On the screen, I tested 1.25 ml of each product on half of my face, and at the end of 20 minutes, this is what the finish looks like. The SVR did not leave a white cast, and the La Roche-Posay definitely left an obvious white cast on my skin. And that leads me to pro number 2. Due to the absence of a white cast while using the SVR Cicavit cream, I'm able to use this twice a day. And that leads me to pro number 3. Using this product twice a day allows me to repair my skin barrier faster than using it once a day, which is what happens most times whenever I'm using the La Roche-Posay Cicapax Balm B5. Because of the white cast, I cannot use it twice a day. Moving into the 4th pro with this product, this has a shelf life of 12 months in comparison to the La Roche-Posay Cicapax Balm B5 that has a shelf life of 6 months. Sorry, I'm talking about period after opening date, not shelf life per se. So once you open this product, you have 12 months to consume it, but once you open the La Roche-Posay Cicapax Balm B5, you have 6 months to consume it. Generally, I tend to buy the 100 ml version of the Cicapax Balm B5, and by the time I hit the 6 month mark, I usually have like half of the product, or worst case scenario, 3/4 of the product left in the tube, and that is a waste. But with this, I'm able to comfortably use the product up to, I don't know, 6, 8, 12 months, or even a year, and I will still have product left in the tube. So this is a lot more friendly economic wise, and that is if you don't use the cream every day. If you use the cream every day, definitely get the Cicapax Balm B5. And finally, when it comes to anti-redness, this stuff is absolutely amazing. 30 minutes to 1 hour after application, it clears every single trace of redness on my skin. People say the La Roche-Posay Cicapax Balm B5 also clears out redness, but probably due to the white cast on our skin tones, we cannot see that. But this, if you're a dark skin person, try this for redness and let me know what you think about that. And yeah, so those are 5 reasons why I absolutely love this product. And the only reason why I've not switched completely to this product is because this is very, very difficult to get here in Nigeria. If I'm able to get a regular supply of this, I will definitely switch completely to this product. In summary, I'm not trying to say that the La Roche-Posay Cicapax Balm B5 does not work. That stuff is a beast. It does what it's supposed to do. But when you weigh the pros and the cons against this one from SVR, this one is like the ultimate, basically is what I'm trying to say. And that has been my review of the SVR Cicavit Cream Plus. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.